All right there, boys and girls, here we are. We have our December daily math, day 11. So here we go. Here we have number 1, 337 plus something equals 854. So it looks like we have a part, we're missing a part, and there's the whole. So if we have a part and a whole, we know immediately, because of our triangle, we need to subtract. So let's come over here into our work area. There we go. All right, 4 minus 7. Oh, more on the floor. We're going to have to borrow from next door. 14 minus 7 is 7. That's a fast double. 4 minus 3 is 1, and 8 minus 3 is 5. So 517 is our answer for that. The next one is this number even or odd? The number in the middle there is 36. That number is an even number because it ends in a 6. 6 can be split equally or evenly in half into 2 equal pieces. Number 3, Max started walking his dog at 3:30. They walked for half an hour. At what time did they finish? Well, if we go at 3:30 and we go half an hour, 30 is already halfway, so another 30 is exactly straight up and down with the big hand, the minute hand. So if it was 3:30 and we go another half, it's exactly 4 o'clock. Here we go. It says draw hands on the clock to show 2:40. So let's do the 40 part first, the minute hand. Again, here was our half hour right here, 30, and we know the 30 is straight down to the 6. So each one of those is worth 1, so we have 35 and 40. Okay, so our minute hand is going to come all the way out, and I always like to say I try to touch the line there. There's our minute hand at 40, and then it's 2:40. So the hour hand has to be somewhere between here and there. Okay? So I'm just going to go, how about like right here? There. 2:40. Now, number 5, complete the first fact, then write 3 related facts. All right. Well, 6 tens, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60 is 60. Okay, and then that also means that 6 times this number, 6 times 10, is also 60. Like addition is to subtraction, multiplication is with division. So now we're going to take our big number here, and we're going to take our 60, divide by 6 equals 10, and 60 divided by 10 equals 6. All right, boys and girls, there you go. We finished day number 11 of your daily math.